Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a requested one by one of you, by one of my subscribers. So today's video is Lotus Pearl facial kit review video for the one who requested me and for all of you. This is the outer packaging which says Lotus Herbals Radiant Pearl Deep Cleansing Properties for Skin Lightening. This product says it is for skin lightening. I mean, why do we need a product for skin lightening? I don't understand. Do you know that Fair and Lovely, they have dropped their name Fair from Fair and Lovely and they have replaced it with Glow. Now the product name or the brand name is no more Fair and Lovely. Now it is Glow and Lovely. But then why is Lotus still focusing on skin lightening? I just don't have any idea. I don't know. This also mentions that this is suitable for all skin types, which I also think that this is suitable for all skin types. Now let's just move on to the ingredients part. Now, Lotus, they don't disclose all their ingredients. I don't know why. They only list out their ingredients. Now, the key ingredients or the active natural ingredients are licorice extract, green tea extract, and pearl dust. Now guys, I honestly feel that we as a consumer, we need to know what all ingredients we are applying onto our face, our skin or our hair. Okay, so this is again a downside of Lotus product, that they don't mention all their facial kits, that they don't mention all their ingredients. They only disclose their active ingredients and not all the ingredients. As you can see that I am sweating because my fan is off, it's switched off, but still I'm making this video for you guys. So please, if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe, press the bell icon, and yes, now let's move on to the video. So 37 grams of this product retails for ₹245. The price point के हिसाब से ये अच्छा है. This is a 4-step facial kit. सिर्फ 4 steps है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. This is only 4-step facial kit. And the first step itself is a scrub. Now, as you know, before scrubbing our face, we need to clean our face, and cleaning part or cleansing part is not there in this facial kit. Now, again, see, I don't want to bash any brand out here. Lotus is not even watching my video, I know it, but still, I think at this price point, some other brands that I have seen, I have done videos on my channel. If you go and watch the playlist down below, that I will link down below, that is facial kit review videos, there you can see some of the other brands at this same price range. They have 5-step or 6-step facial kits where they have cleansing or cleanser step. So अगर आपको ये facial करना है तो ये सिर्फ scrub से start होता है. So cleansers or face wash that's available at your vanity, आपको वो पहले use करना पड़ेगा, then you move on to the first step of this facial kit. Anyways guys, now let's move on to the demo part. Okay, so the first step is cleansing scrub. Firstly, what I did is I sprayed some water onto my face. तो पहले अपने face को damp करना है, and then you can apply this onto your face and your neck area. You have to gently massage. Okay, you have to gently massage in circular motion. Now you can rotate this circular motion. पहले आप clockwise कर सकते हो, and then you can move on and do it in anti-clockwise motion and in upward motion. Another thing about the steps is इसके जो outer packaging है, यहाँ पे indications दिया हुआ है how to apply this product. Outer packaging पे भी, inner packaging पे भी, कहीं पे भी mention नहीं किया गया है till how much time we need to scrub our face. Okay, ये mention नहीं किया गया है timing. So I just scrub my face for 2 minutes. The good point is इसके जो scrub particles है ये बहुत ही minute है. Now I am little skeptical जब भी मैं कोई product use करती हूँ, कोई scrub use करती हूँ या कोई facial kit use करती हूँ, because कुछ facial kits के साथ scrub जो आता है या बाहर से अलग से जब scrub खरीदते हो, scrub particles can be little harsh on your skin and can cause micro tears. तो इसीलिए जब आप scrubbing करोगे भी, that time also please do it in very gentle motion. Second step is Activator. This contains 7 grams of product. Now it's mentioned कि आपको 5 से 7 drops, like 5 to 7 drops you have to take, and then you have to apply onto your face and your neck area and massage for 2 to 3 minutes. That is good. यहाँ पे second step पे time mention किया हुआ है, so that is a good point. So yeah, and उसको फिर आपको धोना नहीं है, बस massage करना है for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you have to move on to the third step. After applying the second step, which is an activator, मुझे थोड़ा सा tingling इफेक्ट फील हुआ, स्पेशली ये एरिया पे, बिकॉज मेरे इस एरिया पे ज़्यादा पोर्स है, तो मे बी फॉर दैट रीज़न मुझे काफ़ी tingly फील हुआ है. The third step is a massage cream. Now, this step will make you feel that you are not doing a facial at your home, but you are at a parlor. Yes, इसका जो fragrance है, ये आपको बिल्कुल पार्लर जैसे फील कराएगा कि आप पार्लर में ही बैठ के फेशियल कर रहे हो. लाइक आई रियली लव द फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ दिस मसाज क्रीम. हैव टू अप्लाई दिस ऑन योर फेस एंड इसको जेंटली आपको मसाज करना है अपने फेस एंड नेक एरिया में, अगेन इन सर्कुलर मोशन, in clockwise and anti-clockwise motion, in upward motion. It till 10 to 15 minutes. अगर चाहो तो आप reapply कर सकते हो. अगर आपको ज़्यादा product चाहिए then you can reapply this as well. And then you can wash off your face. Now let's move on to the last step, which is a mask. A mask is a must. Let's mention that आप इसको like apply it onto your face and your neck area. जितना आपको चाहिए generous amount में निकालो product और लगाओ. And just apply it. You don't have to massage. Just apply it and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes or till the time it dries off your face. Okay, so guys, that's all in my today's video. If you like this video, find this video helpful, and if you like this face and want to see more such videos and this face again, then please do subscribe by pressing the subscribe button and the bell icon. And मैंने और भी facial kits का review किया हुआ है मेरे channel पे. Click somewhere here or here. Click somewhere here and आपको दिख जाएगा वो playlist. And I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.